Hello friends. Well, the days finally came for the drawing and the announcement of the giveaway winners for the Gayle's Grunge Junk Journal kit. So, for the ladies that have won, you can see on your screen there, email me at craftybubro@gmail.com. It will be the first thing in the description because it is a weird name and a weird email address, so go ahead and just copy and paste that into your email. Let me know, your name and that what your address is, and I will send that out to you. You have until the 21st, March 21st, that's Monday, to email me and claim. Otherwise I will pick someone else. So make sure you get that email to me, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed, all my new subscribers. Thank you, Gayle, for being the inspiration for this kit and for promoting it, and thank you to everyone with all the wonderful comments. I will be back with another video here in a few days. And yeah, so thank you again to everyone that entered. Thank you to all the new subscribers, and congratulations to the winners.